Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alani Razak from Unique FX Academy. So what I do here on this channel is that I share trading tips and ideas to my fellow traders, so that we can also make some money from the market. So and also we on this channel I do give away of NFTs, and also I share trading tools, trading tips, trading setups. So if you are just joining us for the first time, kindly do well to subscribe to this channel and put your notifications on so that you can receive the notification whenever we drop a valuable content like this. So in today's video, I'll be talking about trade journal. So today's video, we'll be talking about trade journal. So where I'll be taking you through what trade journal is, what you need to know about trade journal, why you need a trade journal as a forex trader, and also a crypto trader. It does not only apply to forex traders. So far you are trading forex, crypto, anything trade, or maybe stock trader, you need a trade journal to document your trading activity. So I will show you what you need to know about the trade journal, why you need a trade journal, and the things you should check for in a trade journal before you go for it. So let's dive into the topic. So like I said earlier, I'll be covering this topic I highlighted here. So what is trade journal? So first of all, we'll talk about the introduction. So I will introduce you to trade journal if you are just learning the word trade journal for the first time. So you don't have any problem. I'm starting from scratch. You guys have enough content here to familiarize yourself with it. My forex trade journal template, which is worth $80. And in my last video, the last video I dropped, I announced there will be a giveaway in order to celebrate the sorry, excuse me, in order to celebrate the Eid that just passed, that we just did about some days ago. So as you know, I'll be walking you through the steps of how you are going to make use um of the template to your own advantage. So kindly stay tuned and watch the video to the end so that you can get of the template to your own advantage. So kindly stay tuned and watch the video to the end so that you can get how I'm going to say in this particular video. So stay tuned. So starting with the introduction, I said I want you to I want you to view a forex trade journal as a record book, just like where you put your trading activity. Just like all these business owners that keep track of their sales. So a trader also should keep up with his trade record. So just that's just a simple explanation about the trading. You have a trading journal or a trade journal. So you just see it as a record book where you keep your trading activity. So let's go to what exactly trade journal is. So trade journal is a log that contains your day-to-day trading activities, and keeping one is a bit difficult. I won't lie to you. To be keeping a trade journal or to be maintaining a trade journal is time consuming, and you have to be very disciplined about it. However, it will really help you to monitor both your performance of your trading system and your ability to execute it with consistency. So if you can do well to if you can just do it to keep a trade journal, you will really benefit from it on a long run. Also, keeping a trade record will not only benefit you, it will also make you disciplined. To discipline you and also will just allow you to learn more about yourself and the overall trading psychology. So if you keep a trade journal, you won't just benefit from it by just keeping the record. It will make you disciplined to make you a disciplined trader to allow you to learn more about yourself and the overall trading psychology. So and also I want you to see your trading journal as a dossier, as you have this normal report card, maybe your school, your report card that will have the record of all your tests and everything you did for that particular term or semester. So it's just similar to that. So you need to keep track of your trade and actions in your trading account. Like maybe you withdraw, you notice down in your trade journal, okay, you withdraw so particular amount in particular day. Also, you evaluate your strong point and review your weakness in your strategy and trading style in order to improve them. So also let's move to the next subtopic, which is why you need a trade journal. So as a forex trader, you really need a trade journal. So let me just share this quote from you with you from Baby Pigs. So I know you all know Baby Pigs. Baby Pigs is a big website out there that takes traders how to trade. So A disciplined trader is a profitable trader, and keeping a trading journal is the first step to building your discipline. So if you want to be a profitable trader, no doubt you have to be very disciplined with the market. So if you are not a disciplined trader, you won't be profitable with market, in trading market, I mean. So, and the first step in which you can become a disciplined trader is by you keeping a trading journal. So that's why it's very important to keep a trading journal. So part of the reasons, part of why you need a trading is that it, it will help you to identify, review, and learn and work on your weakness. So you identify your weakness, you review it, you learn how to enhance it, how to correct some things, and you work on your weakness. So it allows you to go through your trade and see where you went wrong. Only keeping track of your trade, you will be able to see that you might be able to see where you might be falling short in order to work on them. So that's number one reason why you need to keep a trading journal. Then the second one is that it helps you set your goal. So keeping a trading journal is perfect way to determine what goals you want to accomplish as a trader, and how you track your success, and also and what you will do to achieve them in your next target. So if you are keeping a trade journal, setting your goal and accomplishing them it will be an easy task for you. So that's the second reason why you need it to keep a trade journal. So let's move to the some other point also under why you need to keep a journal, why you need to keep a trading journal. So the third point is accountability. It will make you accountable for all your activities on your trading account. So when you keep a trading log, you are less likely to make trades that are not part of your trading strategy. Therefore, it makes you accountable for all your trades. Also, risk management. So a trade journal will help you identify areas where you might be making errors in risk management. It's possible that you are not taking enough risk to make a significant reward by setting the stop loss too close to the current price, also that your position is too small to lead in any kind of real benefit. So if you keep a trade journal, it will enhance your risk management, it will improve you on your risk management. You will know where to set your stop loss. If it is a if it's an ideal place where you can make enough profit from it. So you will know by keeping a trade journal. Also, let's move to the next point. It improves your trading psychology. So trading, when we are talking about, I'm talking about the live account now. So to the beginners here, I want you to take this serious. If you are trading on your demo account, you treat your account as if you are trading your live account. You don't just open a trade and just forget it on your demo account. You know you can't do that on your live account. So you just practice on your demo as if it to be a live account. So that when you get to live account, so you won't have any issue trading that, because when we are trading on live account, there's emotional attachment. So emotion is attached to live account. So traders emotion play an important role in forex trading, as you all know, except you've not tried to trade a live account before. So a trading journal will help you see if you make a thoughtless decision after a string of good trades, and vice versa. And once you are aware of them, you'll be able to monitor them, sorry, excuse me, and will be less likely to make thoughtless decisions that will have a negative effect on your trade. So the last but not the least on this particular subtopic is consistency. So being consistent with your trading journal will eventually make your bad trading habits to vanish. It will make your bad um, trading habits to vanish, and you will stop losing money as often as before. This is due to the fact that you will be able to see mistakes you are making, and you will strive to stop making them in the future. So therefore, it's important to be as accurate as possible in your trading log to identify those mistakes easily. So let's move to the next subtopic, which is how to identify a good trading journal. So just if you go online there, just type trading journal, you see a lot of trading journals outside there, both paid and free. And you check some of them, you see that they are total rubbish, and they include some things you don't even need that are not relevant. Meanwhile, while skipping the one that are very important for you. So in the trading journal, I'll be showing you this particular things you have to know, or you have to check for when you are searching for a trade journal, why you want to get a trade journal. Although I'll be providing my own free template which I designed up to my taste, and it has been working fine for me, and it has been really helping me. So it's worth $80. But I will show you what I mean. I will show you it's very true that it's worth up to $80 because I sold it. I have it placed on some platforms for sale. So which I earn nothing less than $80 from me. So, but I'll be giving out for free for the purpose of this video and for the purpose of the Eid celebration, which I promised earlier. So, in this under this particular subtopic, now I'll be telling you what you need to check for. So these are the things you need to check for. The trade log. So a good trade journal must have a trade log where you record your day-to-day trading activities, e.g. like the days when you took a trade, the risk reward ratio you use, the commodity you traded, and the type of order you placed. Whether it's a buy order, long order, or short order. Long and buy they are the same thing, and short and sell they are the same thing. So it's whether you place a buy order or a sell order. So a good trading journal must have all these features. The next one is that your performance dashboard. There must be a performance dashboard on your trading journal where you can easily view your performance, whether monthly or yearly, in order to know if you're actually making a progress. Because if you just have a trading journal and you cannot easily measure your performance from the trading journal dashboard, from the dashboard, so I don't think that's a good trading journal. So, and the last one here is the trade summary. A good trade journal must have a trade summary whereby you have your trades summarized together for you, where you can easily and make analyze your trade analyze your past trades, and you can know whether you are really making progress or not. So all these points I mentioned above is included in my own Forex journal, which I'll be sharing with you. So let me just show you a preview or even a screenshot of the trading journal. Kindly do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification, and put your comment in the comment section below if you are really getting some benefit in this particular video. So in this my trading journal, you see we have a lot of features there which I'll be explaining one after the other in the next few minutes. So just stay tuned and smash the like button and share to your friends. Thank you. So guys, so just to actually show you that this thing is actually worth $20. I mean the tool I'm sharing with you free of charge in this video. So I will just take you down to my seller.co page where I sell the software. So you can see the price here. So let me just click so I have a good view. A good view of it. So you can see. So I'm selling for about $81.17. So just to show you that it's actually worth it. So I want you guys to make judicious use of it so you can easily use it, and it will also help you. I promise to help you. So it has really helped me a lot. So it will help you also if you can use it to your own advantage. So having said all this, let me just walk you through the steps. So guys, when you open the trade journal, so this is the first sheet you are going to see, I named it guide. So this is where you see the instructions and the guidelines of how to use the trade journal. So on this sheet now, let me hide this reading. So it will automatically take you to the channel and ask you to subscribe. And also, if you haven't joined our Forex community, you can kindly do so by clicking on this icon. So I hope this particular journal is very useful to you. Although it has worked for me, so I know it will surely work for you if you make use of it. So you can also read the article I published about it. So in order to guide you through how to use it. Also, these are the journal guidelines. So the first one is on you have to enter data into only the white cell. So you don't need to enter. It won't even allow you because I designed it such a way that you'll be able to access those cells that contain the formula, so that you won't be able to alter anything. So it won't calculate. It won't be having calculation errors. So you are only allowed to enter data into the white cells, and all other data will be calculated automatically for you. So you can also refer number two. You can also refer to the comments in the cells for the help with that particular cell. You can just put your cursor on the comments. You will see the details about that particular cell. And you can start by entering an amount which is the opening account balance for that particular month. So if you are, it doesn't mean if you are using it in the month of maybe month of April or any month, but you make sure you just go to the January, the first month, yeah, open and put the opening account balance there. So you see when I open the spreadsheet, you understand what I'm saying. So you just put the opening account balance there. So it will automatically populate to other sheets. So to populate to across it will populate across the other sheets. So also you can check the trade summary to see the reports for all the months, maybe yearly report or monthly report. So you can do that using the trade summary over here. And also, as like I said earlier, I said the structure of this journal is being protected with password, so you can't edit anything there. You can only enter your trade records and to calculate the um, formulas for it. So you can the chart feature is also included so that you can have graphical view of the trade data. So I purposely increase the graphical view, I mean. So you can easily view the chart and you can easily understand how you are making progress, or if there's any need to do some corrections. You easily know that by just looking at the chart. So also you can record up to 2,500 trades for each month. So so having read through all these guidelines, so let's dive into the fifth one after the other. So this for the first month, so just click on January. So you can see the sheet, what it look like. It looks like. So on the dashboard there, this is where you have the opening balance. So you make sure you put your opening balance there. It's very formatted to be in dollar. So I know it's it's a common one. But if you think you need to um change the currency from dollar to maybe another currency, just send me an email here. So just send me an email concerning that, and I will help you change. I will help you forward it to your account. So I know everybody is watching from around the world, so you might not be using dollar as your own base currency in your country. So you can, if you have any issue with that, you can just let me know. I will format it. You can contact me on that email I provided there. So I will change the currency settings to the one you want me to send it free of charge. I won't charge anything for that. So just let me know in the in my email. So if you've been getting some value so far, so just kindly subscribe to my channel. So if you've not been reading our articles, we have some articles that will really help you. Like I said earlier in my one of my videos, I said we have a forex library. As a trader, you need to be reading books, forex books, not anyhow books, forex books, which I provided a library on my website. I have a full PDF library on my website, and I'll also be adding some content to it very soon. So just go there, pick the book of your choice. You can read it on the website. I designed in such a way that you have a real life experience while reading the book on the website. Also, you can also download it to your system or mobile and read it as your own. So let's continue. So you can see this particular cell now this is where we have the date. So you can, for example, let me just test this journal for you with a dummy data. So let's say I took a trade on the 2nd of April, so which is 02 slash 04. So year 2022. Put the year there. So so you move to the particular time you enter the trade. It might be somehow stressful, but trust me, if you can stick to this journal, you will really improve your trading skills. You will really improve everything about you concerning forex. So you enter the time also. Let's say I entered around 1 p.m., which is 13, or it depends on how you want to put it. You enter around 1 p.m. So what you need to do here is select the type of order you you took. So whether it's a buy or sell order. So and also buy also means long and sell also means short. So just select the particular one. So if it's a buy order, select a buy order. So if it's a sell order, select a sell order. So after you select the buy order or sell order, you move to the market. You move to the market asset. If it is GBP USD, you enter it there. I'm just testing the dummy data, GBP. Let's say that's what I took for that particular trade. And also, you will put the entry point. Let's say I entered with 1 point, let's say 1.70. So that's my entry point. And I took a buy trade. Also, the account balance. The balance you are having in your account at that particular moment, which is our opening balance, I just put it 1,000. So the lot size you are using, you put it there. Let's say I enter with 0.001, 0.01. My lot size. My stop loss, the stop loss I use, I also have to put my stop loss there. You can see as we are entering the data, some of the cells are already calculating, but we have to complete all this before we have a perfect calculation. So you enter your stop loss. Let's say I took a buy trade, so my stop loss will be below the chart. So let's say my stop loss is 1.6, 1.6. So my take profit is, let's say, 1.9. So this my risk. You can see that the risk reward is automatically calculated. It's telling me that I have ratio 1 to 2. I'm having ratio 1 to 2 here. Can you see it now? So I'm having a ratio 1 to 2 for this particular trade. So can you see it? So if I'm to maybe let's say I have and you can see it's giving a sign like warning. It's not that good, but it's still okay. Let's say I enter with I place my take profit as, let's say, 1.8. You see, it will notify me that this is a bad risk reward ratio. You can see it's showing me that it is red. So it's not advisable for me to enter this particular type of trade. So, but if let's say I put my this is 1.1 let's say 1.98. So you see I have a ratio of 1.1 ratio 2.8. So it's still a good you can go with that. So after this is what you need to put before the trade. So after you finish closing the trade, so you have to register the particular profit you made. So let's say I made a total of $50 from this particular trade. So you have to put it there. So you can see it will automatically populate the performance and everything. So you can see the win to lose trade now. Can you see? And also it will show me the percentage when I have increased the account. So I have increased the account with 5%. So I started with $1,000 and I made a profit of additional $50. So you can see the percentage increase of the account will be automatically calculated here. So it's telling me that I have increased the account, my initial account with 5%. So if you wish, you can also insert your trade, the screenshot of your trade. Also, if you wish to add a screenshot to your journal, trading journal, you need to select a particular cell. Then you go to click on the insert menu. When you click on insert menu, then you can see you will see link. Then just click on the link. Then I think I mistakenly logged this particular cell. I will fix that, and I'll fix that after the video, and I will correct those errors. So you can easily just do that by linking the screenshot directly from the system, which you can click on the insert menu. Once you click on the insert menu, you click on the link. You see link. Once you click on the link, it will open the your it will open a box for you to select the document where, or sorry, the picture. I mean the picture you want to link to the stuff. So also you can add trade notes. You can add trade notes, whether you want to add something like good trades, or just put something just to just you can, or you can also leave it blank. It's not compulsory. Just if you need to maybe to write something concerning that particular trade, just see that as an opportunity where you write it. So you can easily create a note there and put a note, and you can see that when we insert a dummy trade data, you can see everything is populated and it's showing us that we have one trade one, and you can see the win to lose rate is 100%. So also let me try and create another dummy account so we can see how it will look like. So this time around I'm going to make it to be lost, as in I will set it to be lost so that you can easily see how it will calculate. So let's say we are using this time around I'll be using USD JPY. So USD JPY. Okay, USD JPY. So let me say I'm using my entry point will be 1.1. Yeah. Okay, let me use 1.0. Let me just 1.04. Then let's say my my new account balance now will be $1,050. So I'll input the $1,050 there. So my lot size, so let's say I use lot size of 0.1. So and my stop loss, my stop loss will be below since I'm placing a buy trade. So like my stop loss is 1.0. Let's say I use 1.00. Then my take profit, let's say I use 1.2. You can see you know what, let me change it. So you can see now 1.2 we have risk reward ratio of 1.4. You can see it's turning green because it's telling us that the risk reward ratio is very good. So that one is a good risk reward ratio. Unlike the first one where we have 1.2. That one is not that good, but it's still acceptable. So let's say here I run it to a loss of, let's say, minus $20. So you can have formatted everything such that if it's running a loss, it will be showing you red. If it's a profit, it's showing you green. So let's say we're having minus 20, that you can see it's turning to redness. And also it automatically calculate the account change. Like also we have, it's just turn on the chart on the performance now. We're having 2 trades and we lost one and we won one. So can you see now? So you can easily measure your performance directly from there. So that's just how you can use the trade to your advantage. Also, so now after you've known all this, so the next thing is for you to, I will ask you that whenever you withdraw a balance here, so the total amount that you have left in your balance will be taken to the next month as your opening account balance. What I mean is that, okay, let's say we have the total of $1,030 here. $1,030. I think my system is a bit slow here. And I've been using it this morning, so let me just give it some time to do. So now let's say I want to withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw $200. So I will input the $200 now, and you see it automatically deduct it from the balance. So the system is still loading. Let me just give it some time to load. So let's say I want to withdraw. Oh,
I mistakenly logged this particular cell also. So I will correct all these errors after the video. I'll make it available so you can easily. That's why I said I've already logged all those cells. So that was why it's asking for password. So I will put the password now and I will correct it and I will unlock it so that you can easily enter your data there. So let's say okay, I've unlocked it now. So let's say I want to withdraw $200 for week one. So you type the $200, it automatically calculates. You can see I have the I have the total after deducting the $200, which is $830 left in the balance. So what that means that if you go to the next month now, so the balance we have here will be automatically taken to the next month as the opening account balance. So you see what I'm saying now. So you can see when we got there, we have $830, which is our balance in the our remaining balance in the first month will be the opening account balance for the new month. So that's how it happens. So any so the closing account balance also here will be the opening account balance for the next month. So that's how it works. So if you want to just edit it and everything, it will be okay. So should in case you find any issue with this trade sheet or this trade journal, just let me know. So I will correct it. You can see we have two trades, total two trades. We have one trade one, we have the other one to be a loss. So you can see we have the biggest loss I've made is $20 and the the highest money I've made is $50. So that's what I'm talking about here. So it automatically calculates all these things for you. So if in case you have any issue with this trade journal, just let me know. But I know you will really benefit from it because it's about bagging some dollar into your account, which I know you will like. And also, if you like me to do something like this, or you want me to be producing more content like this, you need to help me subscribe to my channel, put on the notification icon, and also send to your friends. Share and like also so that it get to more people. And also, I really thank you all for all the subs for all you. I really thank you all because I won't announce the number of my subscriber yet, but I'm planning on getting to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year, which I know we can all do together. So I will encourage you guys to do so and also share my content so that I can have some other good content like this to share for you guys. Thank you. See you guys later.